Meaning of diaeresis.
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 Diaeresis. Diaeresis is a grammatical term referring to two dots placed above a vowel to indicate that it should be pronounced as a separate syllable. This is different from an umlaut, which is also two dots above a vowel, but indicates a shift in pronunciation. The diaeresis is commonly used in languages such as German, French, and Dutch, and can also be found in English words such as naive and cooperate. In summary, the diaeresis is a diacritic mark used to indicate that a vowel should be pronounced separately from the preceding one.